Here's my C10 I'm working on. This is a 1970. The original wheels are over here underneath this box. These are the 15s that it originally came with. I mean, they're cool, I like them, but I like these better. These are called cookies or whatever people decide to call them now. And I want to run these on here, but I can't run them unless I put these spacers on there. And I don't want to run spacers, so I have an idea. Simple C10 makes this kit. It'll send you the hole saw, a bunch of stickers, and this thing that you bolt to where the lug nuts go, and it gives a path for the hole saw to actually open up the bore from the size that those wheels are to this size, which is a little bit bigger. So let's see if this works. I mean, this thing is for transport wheels to do that, so you can put transport wheels on C10s like you see in the picture right here. But same bore pattern, right? Those ones over there have the same bore pattern as those, and I just need them to match this. So I think this would work. So let me see if this works. It works pretty simply. So it has the hole saw and it has a little bracket that it rides on. So what you do is you bolt on this thing from the bottom side, underneath where the bolts are. You get yourself a drill, mount that thing on there, and you just drill and it opens up the bore. So let's see if this works. If not, I'll just have one messed up wheel. I'm pretty sure it'll work. Okay, so I got it drilled out. Here's a little center part. So it did work. I got the little chunk out in the middle so it'll actually fit the bore. Here's the drill that I was using. The trick with this thing is to not use so much force. So if you use a lot of force, you're going to chip these teeth and it's not going to really work that well. So just let the weight of that thing just do its thing. The trick though, so the bad thing that happened was this, is that it sits so close to the bottom of this that whenever I was cutting through the center of the wheel part, it actually cut the bracket off, cut the bracket in 3 pieces. So now I have to get another one. But I mean, it sort of worked, so which is positive, I guess. Let's see if it sits on the wheel. As you can see, the bore fits really nice. It's all on there. I just need to get another one so I can finish the other wheels. I haven't found the lug nuts that have the proper external like threads over here, and the right ones that fit the stock like bolts, like the lug studs. So we can put these back on. So I'm gonna finish this up and I'm gonna start working on the other ones as soon as the other one comes in. But stay tuned for more. See how much more stuff I get to do on this thing.